Good morning. We are going to walk you guys through our daily chores here at Flat Gap Farm. And now that the kids are home from school, they get to help. So it's not just myself and my wife doing it. So just want to show you how we take care of our animals here. Stick with us as we do our daily chores. It's our pig feed that we have been soaking for about 12 hours overnight. First animal we have to take care of is Pablo. Ain't that right?
Water. That can be for pigs, but they won't eat the onions. Oh, there's more meat down here and stuff. Watch them fight over all the food. Oh, good, they're eating. And so big girl's coming along. What the heck?
Mean.
How long is that gonna take? Maybe if I had 4
That
plates.
one has a piece of shrimp.
Good.
Running away. Good morning. How's Biscuit and Gravy doing?
Good morning.
Hot.
Good morning. Hungry? Is that not what you want? Huh?
Oh my goodness. She's
Hey,
getting
hey,
in
hey.
the She's getting in the bucket.
They like the feed. They don't like run away as much anymore.
mustache.
You'll have to put some more water in this, and we're.
But they stay back.
You're out of water. Stop it.
There you have it. That's our chores for the day. And there's always extra things that we don't get filmed. Like today we had to burn trash and do different things like that. But that's what we do every day. In the summer, we've got more help with our kids, with them not being in school. And it's good. It teaches them responsibilities. You know, we typically take care of the early morning stuff, and then they take care of the midday and later in the evening stuff. So we've got pigs, chickens, and a garden to tend to. And it just teaches them responsibility. It helps the family. Plus, they get to see the product of their hard work. You know, when we get things out of the garden, when we harvested the meat chickens not too long ago, and then the pigs, eventually we'll harvest them too. So thank you guys for watching today, our daily chores in the summer, and we'll see you on the next video. That's right. You tell them.